Let's leave go. Don't grab him. Get on his stomach. Get on his.
Welcome to another brand new episode of Cop Cam Chronicles, where we dive into the craziest police videos you've ever seen. We hope our videos can educate everyone and show you folks what not to do when encountering the police. For this video, we have K9 units helping police officers make their arrests easier. In times of need, they can always count on their dog, especially these highly trained K9's. Just when criminals thought they could finally get away, all they need is a good bite, and that usually teaches them a lesson. Just like most other videos on our channel, the following footage contains a lot of sensitive scenes and violence that may be disturbing for some people, so viewer discretion is advised. Let's begin. In our first video, Wilshire Division officers were patrolling in the area of San Vicente Boulevard and Fairfax Avenue when their automated license plate reader alerted them about a stolen vehicle. A chase was then initiated by the officers where they tracked the suspect to his home. A K9 was then dispatched to locate the suspect further. Here's how it went down. We can see the suspect's car isn't stopping right from the beginning of the chase.
7 out of 17 showing southbound on Curson. Oh, TC involved. Hey, don't fucking move!
There's the suspect. Did you see him? He's wearing a white shirt and is now running away.
Where'd he go? Get the fuck back here!
Damn, they almost lost the suspect in this tight neighborhood. I wonder how they'll catch up to him. Now there's the suspect. He really had time to change his shirt, but the K9 located him regardless.
Hey, let go of my dog! Let go of him! Let go!
What a good boy. Keep holding the suspect until more backup arrives.
Hey, let go! Hold that way.
Here's how it happened when the officer was instructing the K9 to find the suspect.
2 or 15, let me know when you're in position so I can start. What? Oh.
That K9 was fast. These dogs really are huge help in situations like this.
Hey, let go of my dog!
And here's what happened through a body cam angle. What you saw earlier was the security footage of the suspect's home.
Let go! Let go of him!
Help me, said the suspect. The irony? It's hilarious.
Grab him! Turn around!
Look how scared the suspect is. Not so tough now that the dog almost mauled your arm off, are you?
Go! He's over!
Hey, hang tight.
Here we have the continuation from another body cam angle.
I'm with you, Dan. I'm with you.
That K9 is super aggressive. Look how the suspect chickened out, but the K9 still kept on pursuing him.
Down on the ground! Down on the ground!
Turn around!
It's okay, put him down, just put him down. I'm gonna cover him with a handcuff. On the ground!
On the ground! Get on the ground!
On the ground. Okay, just go in a holster. Just go in a holster and you're gonna handcuff. On the ground! On the ground!
Stop yelling, the suspect said. Well, if you just comply, they wouldn't be yelling.
On the ground, there you go! All the way down!
Get on the ground!
All the way down!
Turn around! Turn around! Turn around!
The suspect is definitely still scared. But another good job for the officers and the K9. For our second video, Marion County Sheriff's Office detectives conducted a felony traffic stop on a white Ford 150 truck that was reportedly stolen. The driver, Daniel Eugene Bolden, decided not to comply with detectives and fled in the stolen truck, and a pursuit was initiated. He was informed to stop or the K9 would be released. Here's what happened next. As soon as all the detectives arrived, the suspect immediately fled as quickly as he could. This initiated a chase. Look at the suspect and detectives speeding ahead.
Mike 7 Mary, he's running airport. You got it? Call it. Yep, I got him. Mark unit confirmed. That mark unit behind me, get in front of me. Mark unit coming around. You let me drop into 9 in front of you.
Look at his speed. This detective definitely picked up the pace. But will he catch him?
Road's clear, still westbound, past some 60 there.
It appears the detective is about to initiate a pit maneuver. Well, I guess not. But let's see where this chase will go. Taking shortcuts, I see. Very clever for the suspect to do that.
Alright, we're on 70th down, man. Continuing west. Road's clear, guys.
Some more patrol cars are now joining in. This chase is getting more intense. Look at how close they are. I'm going to guess this won't end well for the suspect.
Road's clear, guys. We're about 106 lanes. Big truck coming.
You can see the chopper above assisting the police. I'm going to guess they put this to an end soon.
Yeah, cars coming and we're northbound on 150th. Stop sticks were successful.
See? I told you. But with the help of the police's spike strips, of course. Oh wait, he was able to drive back again. I guess those spikes didn't work as well as planned.
Intersection is clear, guys. Intersection is clear.
It's a good hit. He got 2 left tires and his front right hit. He's on his rims.
Well, I spoke too soon. Look at him being cornered. Here comes the K9 unit. This is getting good. Now go get him, puppy. I wonder where the suspect could be. There he is. And the K9 looks like he's having a feast on his leg. Damn, look at how aggressive that K9 is. And he kept on munching. That's enough, buddy. Time to let go of that leg. If you love shocking police interaction videos like this, you can show us your support by subscribing to our growing channel. Also, do us a favor and ring that bell icon to get notified for updates too. We'll see you around next time here at Cop Cam Chronicles.